sa wear now. Wantaim love blong you, Lukim Lait, by me thanking you forevermore.